Do not run away. Floppy ear. You need some drops. Come here, Floppy ear.
Do you want a bite? Yeah? Say yes. Say yes. Do you want a bite? Good girl.
Riley, look at me.
We should get one of these at home.
Sit. Come on, you're big brother.
Are you okay, honey?
Somebody's dog got loose.
I don't know. This dog snuck out. He's on demon time. He's waiting. He smell blood. He smell blood.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Mmm, so good and tasty.
Oh my God! Oh. Ow! Dude, what are you doing? Stop.
Master has given Dobby a sock. Master has presented Dobby with clothes. Dobby is free.
Bobby, give me your hand.
All right, what do you want? Dude. You getting some sun, dude?
Say good morning.
Looking for Rhett. And, oh, found him. You're adopted. Yes, you're adopted. Maya, you are adopted. But I still love you.
Come, Bob. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy.
No!
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
A chocolate.
Oh, you poor thing.
Charlie, what's your trick? Can you dig? Dig. Okay, stop. Good
Dig.
girl.
Dig, dig,
Okay,
dig.
do it again. Do it again. Dig.
What happened?
Callie, stop. Stop.
You're funny, Sammy. Funny, Sammy.
Girls, who pooped in the kitchen? Sunny?
Okay. Go get it.
Bruh.
Here we go.
Play with me, Daddy.
As far as I'm aware, the answer to every problem is dog. Bad day at work, dog. Depression, dog. Anxiety, dog. Friend problems, dog. There is no other solution.
Better not turn the fucking tap on. Get down. Thank you.
Get the fuck out my face.
Come on, honey. Woo! Yeah!
Есть кадр, пиздец. Просто топовый кадр есть. Oye, oye.
Excuse me, sir. Do you plan on going somewhere? Are you leaving right now? Do you have somewhere to go? Huh?
What'd you do, Ted? What'd you do, Ted?
Thank you. Close to it.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? What? Oh my God!
I am not demure. I am not mindful or considerate.
She literally stopped at the same time.
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
Wherever you want to get. Whatever makes you happy.
I'm so hungry, I can eat a dog.
My dog is hula hooping. La cacca di Yuhu!
Yes, we used to bathe her.
It's gonna fall on Mr. Mutt.
feeding time. She really likes her dog food. She's got some unusual eating habits.
Great manners.
Yeah.
Come here, you. She's just like, no.
No, don't try to make nice now. Could you not see out the window? Huh? You couldn't see out the kitchen window? I see that. So you decided to get up on the kitchen table and take matters into your own hands.
I don't know what your name is, I don't know where you're from, I don't know how old you are, but you made it to my TikTok and we are now friends.
Up to their jaw? Yeah.
Go to the dog park? Do you want to?
Is that the weather forecast? Are we about to get hit by a tornado too?
Ritual offering. Bench it down. I said paper. Ah, cool. That's cool. I want it. It's recorded. The paper's cool.
Nah.
Milo, what's wrong? Are you stuck? What happened?
Oh my god. Good job.
What is that?
Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
Dang, your dog's bad.